This might be one of the most extreme motorhomes Toyota has ever imagined. At first look, it feels like a military vehicle built for the toughest missions. It is huge, strong, and impossible to ignore. But then you learn something surprising. Inside this massive machine is a fully equipped luxury home. This is the 2026 Toyota Shieldbeast 12x12 motorhome, a vehicle built to go almost anywhere on Earth while giving you the comfort of a modern home. The first thing you notice is the wheels. This machine uses a 12x12 system. That means there are 12 wheels touching the ground at the same time, 6 wheels on each side. This setup gives the vehicle incredible balance and traction. These are not normal tires. They are huge off-road tires with deep tread, designed for extreme terrain. Mud, sand, snow, and rocky trails are not a problem for this machine. The front of the Shieldbeast looks powerful and aggressive. A large Toyota grille sits in the center, surrounded by strong armored panels. The front bumper is reinforced and built for serious off-road situations. It also includes heavy recovery hooks and a powerful winch in case the vehicle needs to pull itself or another vehicle out of trouble. The lighting system is also impressive. Massive LED light bars sit on the roof, along with extra spotlights near the bumper. When these lights turn on, the dark wilderness becomes bright like daytime. This helps drivers see clearly when traveling through forests, mountains, or desert trails at night. The body of the vehicle is tall and wide, giving it a very strong presence. High ground clearance allows it to drive over rocks, uneven trails, and deep mud without damage. Storage compartments on the sides hold tools, equipment, and travel gear for long adventures. A strong roof rack adds even more storage space for outdoor equipment or solar panels. From every angle, the Shieldbeast looks like a rolling fortress. But everything changes when you step inside. The moment you enter the motorhome, the atmosphere becomes calm and comfortable. Instead of a rugged machine, you find a warm and modern living space. The main area is a spacious living room designed for relaxation. A large sectional sofa wraps around the seating area, giving travelers a comfortable place to sit and rest. Large windows surround the cabin, bringing in natural light during the day and offering beautiful views of the outside world. Whether you are parked near mountains, forests, or open desert, the scenery becomes part of the experience. At night, soft LED lighting fills the room with a warm glow. The interior feels peaceful and relaxing, perfect for resting after a long day of travel. Next to the living area is the kitchen. This is not a small camping kitchen. It is designed for real cooking during long trips. A large countertop provides space for preparing meals. There is a refrigerator for storing food and drinks. Cabinets keep supplies organized and secure while the vehicle moves. This means you can cook proper meals even when you are far away from any city. The bathroom is also well designed. It includes a full shower so you can stay clean during long off-grid journeys. There is also a sink and storage space for daily essentials. Even in the middle of the wilderness, life inside this motorhome remains comfortable. Now let's talk about the bedroom. At the rear of the vehicle is a dedicated sleeping space built for real rest. A comfortable full-size bed allows travelers to sleep properly after long days of exploring. Soft lighting and smart storage make the room feel calm and organized. It feels less like a vehicle and more like a private bedroom in a modern home. This level of comfort is rare in expedition vehicles. Now let's move to the driver's seat. Driving a machine this big is a unique experience. The driver sits high above the road, giving a clear view of the terrain ahead. This position helps the driver see obstacles, rocks, or difficult paths before reaching them. The steering wheel carries Toyota's strong and practical design. In front of the driver is a digital display showing speed, engine performance, and other important vehicle information. A large touchscreen controls navigation, cameras, and entertainment systems. Multiple cameras around the vehicle help the driver see blind spots and guide the vehicle safely through tight spaces. From this seat, it feels like you are commanding a powerful expedition truck. Now let's talk about power. A vehicle this big needs a serious engine. The Shieldbeast uses a heavy-duty diesel engine designed to deliver strong torque and long-lasting reliability. This type of engine is perfect for climbing steep hills and pulling heavy weight without stress. The 12x12 drivetrain sends power to all 12 wheels. This gives the motorhome excellent traction, even on slippery or uneven ground. With this system, the Shieldbeast can drive through terrain where normal RVs would get stuck immediately. Deep sand dunes, muddy forest roads, rocky mountain trails, and snowy landscapes become possible routes instead of obstacles. The suspension system is designed to absorb rough impacts while keeping the cabin stable and comfortable. So even when the road gets rough, the living space inside stays calm. And that is what makes the Shieldbeast so impressive. It is not just a giant vehicle. It is a mobile expedition base designed for people who want to explore the world without giving up comfort. Imagine driving this through the deserts of Arizona, exploring the mountains of Colorado, camping deep inside the forests of the Pacific Northwest, or traveling across remote landscapes in Alaska. This machine makes those adventures possible. The Toyota Shieldbeast 12x12 is more than just a motorhome. It is a rolling fortress, a luxury home on wheels, and one of the most extreme expedition vehicles ever imagined. So here's my question for you. If you owned this Shieldbeast motorhome, where would you take it first? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy seeing incredible machines like this, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.